Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about something very natural, very budget friendly and very beautiful. Pine cones decoration. Yes, these little gifts from nature can turn into amazing Xmas decoration. Not only do they look cozy and festive, rustic, but pine cones also carry hidden benefits that make your home more fresh and positive. So stay with me for the next few minutes and let's explore ideas, tips, and benefits of Pinecone Xmas decorations. First, let's talk about decoration ideas. Pine cones are super versatile. You can paint them, glitter them, hang them, or even keep them natural for a rustic touch. Simply tie a ribbon or twine around the top of a pine cone and hang it on your Xmas tree. Add a touch of gold or silver spray paint and it shines like a star. Place a few pine cones in a glass bowl with fairy lights, mix in some red berries or cinnamon sticks, and you have a cozy warm centerpiece. For your dinner table. You also can make wreath with pine cones. Combine pine branches, pine cones and red bow to make a door wreath. It looks festive and gives a natural fragrance to your entryway. Now let's talk about candle holder. Glue pine cones around a glass jar or candle stand. When the candle glows, the pine cone gives a magical rustic vibe. Gift toppers. Attach small pine cones or wrapped gifts with a ribbon. It makes your present look more thoughtful and creative. Now let's talk about benefits. Pine cones are not just pretty, they have also hidden advantages. First of all, I want to tell you these are only few ideas, but possibilities are different. The best part is that pine cones are free if you collect them from nature, and they instantly bring Xmas charm into your home. Now let's talk about benefits of pine cones are not just pretty, they also have hidden advantages. Natural and eco-friendly. Using pine cones means you are reusing nature's gift. No plastic, no waste, no pure eco-friendly decoration. Budget friendly. We spend money on expensive decor when pine cones are available in parks, gardens, and forests. They help you save while still making your home look festive. Rustic and warm vibes. Pine cones add a cozy and natural feel to your charms. Xmas decor your home, reminding us of snowy forests and warm firesides. Aromatherapy. When you mix pinecone with essential oils like cinnamon or pine oil, they spread a refreshing fragrance in your home. Symbol of growth. Many cultures see pine cones as a symbol of life growth and new beginnings, a perfect message for Xmas and New Year. Final tips and advice. We are trying to bring that amazing rustic charm to your home. And in this slideshow, we try to bring for you the best amazing creativity for you and your family members. Crafting benefits us more than you think. It's amazing for everybody who wants to do something different. So friends, here are some final tips. Always clean and dry pine cones before using them indoors. You can even take them in the oven for a few minutes to remove bugs or moistures. If you love shiny decor, add glitter. But if you love natural style, keep them raw and earthy. Remember, Xmas is not about expensive decoration, it's about love, warmth, and creativity. Pine cones remind us that even the simplest things from nature can make our home beautiful. So this holiday season, try pinecone decoration. They are natural, beautiful, and full of meaning. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this idea, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative DIY decoration and inspiration too. May your home fulfill with love and happiness. For your more information, you can leave your comment in the comment section, and we will definitely try to upload what you want to watch. Thank you for joining me today. They are natural, beautiful, and full of meaning. Thank you for being a part of this video. If you like these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative DIY and decoration. Inspiration. Wishing you all a happy festival full of joy, light, and love. Keep shining like a star, keep smiling. May your home filled with love and happiness togetherness, and beauty. Hanging ornaments, paint pine cones dipped in white paint to look snowy and cover them with glitter for a sparkle. Hang them your Xmas tree with a red or golden ribbon. Mini pine cones trees. Paint a pine cone green, place it on a wooden base, and decorate with beads or sequins. It looks like a tiny Xmas tree, perfect for shelves or as a table centerpiece. Rustic garland, string pine cones together with twine and hang them across your fireplace or staircase railing. Add fairy lights to make it glow at night. Hope you enjoyed these ideas. We are trying to bring that amazing looks ideas for everyone who wants to create something different. So friends, pine cones are not just decorations, they are little gifts from nature that brings beauty, warmth, and positive energy into our homes. From ornaments to wreath, from table decor to family crafts, Pinecone can do it all, and their benefits, eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and symbolic, make them extra special.